Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Side effects of alpha 2 agonists. So, side effects of alpha 2 agonists include first clonidine. Clonidine will cause side effects like the most common is it can cause dry mouth, it can cause depression is one of the side effect, and sedation is also seen in clonidine. We should not stop the clonidine abruptly. If we stop the clonidine abruptly, then this that is sudden withdrawal of clonidine will result in rebound hypertension. Whenever there is hypertension due to sudden withdrawal of clonidine is treated by the drug phentolamine. Then
thank you and thank you for watching.